guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a playlist on your Apple Music. Most people would know how to do this, but because of the update, they made things a little different. Now, ain't a little bit tricky to do. Now, we go to create playlist. We choose the songs that we want from your artist, from your songs or your albums. I choose to do albums just because it's easier. Let's see here. For me, because I can't read the words of the song, so I tend to choose it from the album point of view using the picture. Now, I choose some songs like so. By going down the line, I have a lot of songs on here. I'm going to be making 2 playlists, not for this video, but you get the idea from there. Now, I'm looking for my other songs that I put on here. Britney Spears. Sometimes I have to double check and make sure I got them all, because sometimes I tend to miss 1 or 2 out of nowhere by going down my list. Now that I have all the songs for the playlist, I typed in the playlist name, Britney Spears. Hit the check mark, and it gives you at the bottom waiting for it to do what it needs to do. Then I hit the check mark again, and there it is. I hope you guys like and subscribe. I love you guys very much. Sorry it's taking so long for my videos to come out. I've been sort of busy. As you guys know, I'm a handicap, so I need a little help filming. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.